Hi, my name is Kevork from CATA Stone Care Restoration. Today we're working in the city of Mission Viejo. We're working in their diving department, which is the Natadores team. Today we'll be applying epoxy floors in their offices. So I can't wait to show you the process.
Every great epoxy floor starts with proper evaluation and preparation. We inspect the concrete for cracks, coatings, contaminants, and moisture. Surface prep is the most critical step. Without it, nothing lasts. Using diamond grinders, we remove old coatings, open the surface, and create the ideal profile for bonding. Next, we repair cracks, spalls, and imperfections with high-strength materials. This creates a solid, uniform surface because every detail matters. We then apply a 100% solid epoxy base coat. This is the foundation, bonding directly to the concrete and delivering long-term strength and durability. Applied evenly across the surface, timing is critical as we move to the next step while it's still wet. While curing, we broadcast decorative flakes across the surface. They add texture, slip resistance, and depth. At CATA, we complete a full broadcast, fully covering the floor for a clean, high-end finish. Once cured, we scrape the surface in multiple directions and vacuum thoroughly. This removes excess flakes and creates a smooth, even profile. Finally, we apply a clear top coat, polyaspartic or polyurethane. This seals the system, adds UV and chemical resistance, and defines the final look. The result, a seamless, durable floor built to last. At CATA, we don't just install floors, we build long-lasting systems, and the results speak for themselves.